Tere, mina olen Ashik.
Tere, mina olen Sveta. The most common greeting in Estonian is tere. There are several longer phrases available, such as tere hommikust, tere hommikust, tere päevast, tere päevast, tere õhtust, tere õhtust. However, Estonians always prefer to use the shorter version.
Tere.
Tere. Although shaking hands is very common in Estonia, it is less often used, as in the Arab countries, for example. And it is a short handshake. It is not allowed to grab other person's elbow, touch or kiss other person during the greetings. Very often people just raise a hand when greeting each other. Let's take a second phrase. Tere, üks kohv palun.
Kas must kohv või kahve latte?
Kohv. Üks kohv. Üks kohv. Üks kohv palun. Üks kohv palun. 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 Tänan. Tänan. Üks õlu palun.
3 eurot, palun.
Kui palju?
3 eurot.
Kui palju kohv maksab? Kui palju? Kui palju? Maksab. Maksab. Kui palju see maksab? Kui palju see maksab? 1 euro. 1 euro. See maksab 1 euro. See maksab 1 euro. 1 tee maksab 1 euro. 1 tee maksab 1 euro.